Welcome back, my YouTube channel CoinZF. Today's hot topic: the 1982 Lincoln penny people are claiming it's worth $20,069 million. Is that possible? Or just a viral myth? Stay with me for the truth, the tests, and the errors that actually matter. Let's go. Coin family, I'm your host from CoinZF, bringing weekly deep dives on coins you might have in your pocket. AAJ Hump 1982 Penny KO Microscope Knich Rockane G Copper versus Zinc, small date versus large date, mint errors, grading, storage, and how to avoid scams. Like, subscribe, or bell icon 0 or press carrying point 1982 is a special transition year for the Lincoln cent. The U.S. Mint switched from copper 3.11G to a zinc core with copper plating 2.50G. That's why you'll hear about weighing your coin, the viral mega values, entertainment. Real money comes from rare varieties, high grades, and documented mint errors. Sound ring, test gently tap coin on wood. Copper tends to ring slightly longer than zinc. Use caution, don't scratch. Next, small date versus large date. Look at the 2 and 8 shapes and the height of numbers. Combine this with weight and mint mark, and you're closer to identifying scarcer versions. 1982 cents were made at Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver D. Some combinations are more interesting to collectors, especially when paired with the right date size and planchet. If you suspect something unusual, don't clean it. Keep it as found and consider expert verification. Okay, error hunters, this is your moment. Here are error types that can bring real value. Document everything with clear photos, obverse, reverse, and close-ups of the date and mint mark. Then get a second opinion. Let's talk grades. In coins, condition is king. From circulated good, fine, to mint state, MS, tiny differences can mean big money. Luster, scratches, and strike quality matter. The $20,069 million number is a viral headline. Real sale prices depend on authenticated variety /grade/error in today's market. Use graded auction results as a benchmark and beware of screenshots without sources. Before selling, consider scam red flags, pressure to clean, unrealistic instant offers, too good to be true DMs. Use trusted platforms and escrow when possible. Store cents and acid-free flips, Mylar 2x2S, or rigid capsules. Keep away from humidity and PVC plastics. Viewer challenge. Weigh 5 of your 1982 pennies and post the average weight plus small/large date ID in the comments. Use the keyword .1982 penny legend. Best submissions get pinned and a shout out in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video, and it's an interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. CoinZF.